channel, as you can already tell by the title of this video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to find the shade for your skin tone using two totally different foundation shades that don't go at all with your skin tone. If you're like me and you like buying your makeup online, sometimes you might find that the foundation you bought is either too dark for your skin tone or too light for your skin tone. Or sometimes you go to a makeup store and they give you a shade that's not even matching your skin tone. Now today I'm going to advise you never ever throw that away, because you can make it work. You can find the right shade using a shade that's not meant for you, and all you have to do is mix and match. Never ever throw away a foundation because it's too dark for you or too light for you. So I'm going to be applying these two foundations. So just make sure that you prep and prime your face as you normally would. And I'm going in with the Yardley London 3-in-1 makeup setting spray. Prime, set and refresh. So as you can see, this side is too dark for my skin tone and this side is too light for my skin tone. On this side where I've applied the lighter shade, I'm going to go ahead and add just a bit of the dark. And on this other side, I'm going to add a few drops of that white. Oopsie. And now we're going to blend and find our shade. So whenever you feel like it's too dark for you, you can add a little bit light, and whenever you feel like it's too light for you, you can add a little bit dark until you see that it has blended in with your skin tone. As you can see, I blended that out perfectly. Looks good. And now I feel like it's a bit too bright, so what I'm going to do is add a little bit of dark. And now we found our shade. How good is that? And now we're satisfied with that. So next I'm just going to go in with some blush. This is a cream blush from 𝐔𝐿. Making sure that I'm very generous, just like that. While I wait for that, I'm going to be lining up my lips. Now that I'm done with my lips, let's go ahead and finish off by removing the excess powder. And then I'm going in with the Kylie Jenner highlighter in the shade called King. Oh, it's a bit much. Hold on just a second. And that's about it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, and until next time. Bye bye.